Morning, my dear lovely childrens. Students, in this series of development in Europe and Asia, next topic and very important topic is Renaissance. Today we will discuss about Renaissance. Student, first I elaborate. Renaissance. Renaissance is that period when Middle Age developing into modern age. In this age, many changes occurred. Growth of science, people think about humanism, their thoughts became free, they spoke boldly. Mainly, the changes took place in religion, culture, literature, etc. Most of the Latin and Greek classics focused on humanity and human life. Since this study was focused on human beings, it was known as humanism. It was different from religious thoughts. It encouraged people to think from themselves and not blindly accept what everyone said. The Middle Age was the time when Christianity had established itself across Europe. The powerful Christian church did not like its teaching to be questioned. Greek and Latin classics were not be in the harmony with the Christian sculptures. So these texts gradually disappeared from Europe because of the church opposition. During this time, Islamic scholars translated the literary classic of India, Iran, and Greece in Arabic and Persian. Also, ancient mathematical and astronomical knowledge from India and scientific knowledge from China found their way to European scholars. We will discuss regarding humanism in Europe. Previously, I told that revolution first took place in Europe, so European scholars are influenced from other countries and began taking an interest in studying Latin and Greek texts around 1300 CE. Expanding trade, urbanization, and the rise of powerful monarchies were creating new jobs. The most famous scholar of this time was Francisco Petrarch, born 1304 CE and died 1374 CE, of Italy. He was distressed by the fact that people at that time were not using language properly. He began studying Latin classics to understand more about language and its use. The study of Latin and Greek began to spread rapidly under Petrarch and other scholars. The humanists believed that learning these texts could improve the ability of a young people to think, write, address the public, argue a case in court, or talk intelligently about trade and politics. They established schools to impart classical education. The invention of printing press in 1439 by the German artisan Johannes Gutenberg, born 1395, died 1468 CE. Now, hundreds of copies could be easily printed. This stimulated debate and the exchange of ideas between people. In Middle Age, learning focused on religious themes. No scholar had the courage to write or say anything against what the church thought or said. But humanist study focused on the daily life of people, social and economic issue. The well-known Dutch humanist Erasmus, born 1466, died 1536 CE, point out that the church's translation of the Bible into Latin had many errors. They were verged on superstitions. In those days, only men received formal education. Women were accepted to look after the household. But There were a few women who broke those barriers and studied Greek and Latin. One of them was uh, Cassandra Fadley, born 1465, died 1558 CE. She was among the first women to criticize the male centric system. Another humanist was the Italian Niccolo Niccolo Machiavelli, born 1469, died 1527 CE. He published an important book called The Prince in 1513. It was basically a study of politics. Students, we will continue the next topic. So, till goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.